Hello, Southlake. I'm Kathy Talley, your Deputy Mayor Pro Tem. And today we're stepping into one of the coziest places in town, the Southlake Public Library. Winter is the perfect time to grab a warm blanket, your favorite book, and dive into new stories. And this season, our library is making it even more fun for kids to keep reading all winter long with a Book Blizzard Bingo, sponsored by the Library Foundation of Southlake. Whether your family is looking for new stories to explore, activities to keep little readers engaged during the colder months, or fun ways to build reading habits together, the Southlake Public Library has you covered. Let's hear from our Southlake City librarian, Cynthia Flederer, about what's in store this winter season.
Hi, I'm Cynthia Flederer, Southlake City librarian. Winter is one of our favorite seasons in the library, and this year we are excited to offer Book Blizzard Bingo. From now through January 6th, kindergarten through 8th grade readers can sign up and receive their very own bingo card. Each square includes a fun reading challenge, like reading under a blanket fort, reading a book with a blue cover, or reading a story about the holidays or set in winter. As kids complete squares, they earn entries into drawings for fun prizes, and completing a full bingo card gets them an extra chance to win. It's a simple, joyful way to keep reading going strong all winter long. And there's plenty more happening this season. Let's check in with the library's Marketing and Digital Services Coordinator, Andrew Burnett, who will share some exciting events and activities coming up soon.
Thanks, Cynthia. One thing I love about winter at the Southlake Library is there's always something going on for all ages and every kind of reader. Join us for a very Nordic Christmas, Southlake's own take on the Nordic holiday traditions, including Yuletide Fika and Jola Bokaflood Holiday Book Flood Exchange. If you love a good mystery, our December book club is reading The Most Wonderful Crime of the Year by Allie Carter. Join the discussion and crack the case together on December 9th. On December 22nd, the magic continues with a visit from Mrs. Claus, a family favorite that always fills up fast, so be sure to arrive early. And on December 23rd, just before Santa takes to the skies, the Ramzinis return with a high-energy holiday juggling show. It's movement, it's laughter, and yes, it's impressive. To explore all the events and programs happening this winter, be sure to visit southlakelibrary.com for details, dates, and everything you need to plan your family's next visit.
This winter, keep the imagination going, discover new stories, and make reading a part of your family's seasonal traditions. The Southlake Public Library is here to support your winter reading journey. One book, one square, one story at a time. We'll see you at the library.